Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to live stream in Google Meet in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is um if you want to conduct a meeting right now, you just have to click this new meeting button and click start an instant meeting, and you just have to wait guys. If you guys wanted to do live streaming and put in on like Facebook or any social media platforms like TikTok or YouTube, so you can actually do that guys by doing a live stream in Google Meet. Okay, so what we're gonna do guys, so as you can see on the bottom right here, so we have a five icon here, and only you need to do is to click this one guys, the six or nine dots icon here. So our menu, you can click that one, it says that meeting tools. Okay, click that one guys, so it will direct you to the tools of this page guys. So as you can see, we have here record, transcribe, live streaming, breakout rooms, pools, and Q&A also. So these are the tools that we'll be using in the Google Meet guys, if you are or if you are subscribing on their premium guys. So um if you're a subscriber to their premium plan, so you'll not be able to do the live streaming. Okay, so you just have to click that one guys, and you're good to go guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Google Meet. Thank you.